Do you want to feel great and boost your energy? There are so many reasons to love a raw food diet, and in this video I'll share with you 5 exciting reasons why I enjoy raw foods and why you might want to try it too. So today is day 6 out of 7 days of my daily uploads on YouTube, and of course we are going to talk more about the raw food diet and why I enjoy eating raw foods. So number 1, increased energy level. A raw vegan diet is known to significantly boost your energy levels. Raw fruits and vegetables, they are really packed with nutrients that are still intact because they are not cooked. So this means that your body gets more vitamins and minerals and enzymes which help increase energy. Many people on this diet, they report needing less caffeine because the natural sugars in fruit provide steady energy boost. Improved digestion from fiber-rich foods also help reduce your sluggishness. Since you are no longer eating processed junk foods, which are often so heavy and full of additives, you get more consistent energy throughout the day. And afternoon slumps become less common since once again meals are lighter and easier to digest. And additionally, raw foods can improve mental clarity, helping people feel more focused. And all these benefits together, they really make raw veganism a great option if you are looking for a natural and more sustained energy. A raw vegan diet really improves digestion due to its high fiber content. Raw fruits, vegetables, and seeds provide both soluble and insoluble fiber, which promotes regular bowel movements. The natural enzymes in raw foods also aid in breaking down the food, making digestion easier. And many people experience less bloating when they remove processed foods and dairy from their diet. Additionally, raw foods like cucumbers and melons, they are really high in water, which keeps digestion system hydrated. This helps food pass through digestive tract more efficiently. So people with digestive issues like IBS often notice reduced symptoms on raw vegan diet. The diet also supports healthy gut bacteria, providing prebiotic-rich foods like garlic or bananas, and it's also anti-inflammatory, reducing irritation in the gut lining. So overall, raw veganism can lead to smoother and healthier digestion. Enhance skin health. So a raw vegan diet can significantly improve skin health. Fresh fruits and vegetables, they are rich in antioxidants like vitamin A, C, and E, which protect the skin from all this damage, and they promote collagen production. So foods with high water content such as cucumbers and melons help hydrate the skin from within. So this diet also reduces inflammation by eliminating all these processed foods and dairy and all this refined sugar. And it leads to fewer breakouts and calmer skin. And many people report clear complexions after switching to a raw vegan diet, as it removes common triggers for skin issues. And high levels of beta-carotene found in carrots and leafy greens, it can give the skin natural and healthy glow. Additionally, the vitamin C in citrus fruits helps speed up healing of scars and blemishes. Nutrients like vitamin E from nuts and seeds, they help protect against aging, leading to fewer wrinkles. So overall, a raw vegan diet supports healthier, more radiant skin. A raw vegan diet opens up a whole new world of creative cooking with a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds, and sprouts. There are endless opportunities to experiment in the kitchen. Raw cooking techniques like soaking, sprouting, and dehydrating, and blending, they all enhance all these flavors and nutrition and make you become more creative and invent new recipes. For example, you can create raw zucchini noodles using a spiralizer and top them with raw marinara sauce. You can just basically blend some soaked sun-dried tomatoes, regular tomatoes, and dates and some herbs, and you get your marinara sauce. By the way, I have a recipe, so check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a recipe link in the description for you guys. Also, you can make raw vegan sushi rolls. It's easy. They can be made by filling up the nori sheets with all kinds of vegetables, and instead of rice, you can use cauliflower rice. I have a recipe on my channel. I'm gonna link in the description below all these recipes that I mentioned here. It's gonna be all in there. You can check it out. So you can also make dehydrated crackers. So you just need to blend a whole bunch of nuts and seeds and just spread them on a dehydrator sheet and dry them, and when they're ready, you just break them apart and your crackers are ready. And did you know that you can also make delicious raw vegan chocolate mousse? It's very easy to make. All you need is some very ripe avocados, raw cacao, and some maple syrup. Blend it all up, and you have yourself a nice chocolate mousse. You can just dip beautiful strawberries in it and enjoy. So good, guys. Makes me want to go make one now. Also, if you want some quick snacks, you can blend dates, nuts, and seeds and just roll them, just process them in a food processor and then roll them into like little balls, and then you can just coat them in coconut shreds or cacao or hemp seeds, and you got yourself a delicious energy ball. Also, if you like smoothie bowls, raw smoothie bowls, they allow for these creative toppings like sliced fruits and nuts or granola, and it makes them both nutritious and looking beautiful. So overall, a raw vegan diet, it encourages creativity in the kitchen and countless flavorful possibilities. Mindful eating encourages full attention to the experience of eating, and it can greatly enhance the raw vegan diet. It all starts with being aware what you eat and understanding your food choices, especially when selecting whole, fresh ingredients. So basically, this practice promotes savoring each bite, and it allows you to notice every flavor and texture and aromas of all your foods. And by tuning in into our hunger and fullness cues, mindful eating helps prevent overeating and promote a healthier relationship with food. For example, you can prepare a beautiful salad with a variety of colorful raw vegetables and fruits instead of gobbling up real quick like most of us do these days. So just take your time to appreciate all the different flavors that you eat. Try an experiment and try tasting some exotic fruits, for example, like durian or jackfruit or dragon fruit or lychee. And by doing this, it can also enhance your experience by focusing on their unique tastes and textures. Also, making a raw smoothie bowl can encourage you to enjoy the presentation and flavors slowly. And when snacking on raw nuts and seeds, just take a moment to feel their texture and savor each bite. Treating meal preparation as a mindful ritual can also deepen your connection to food. So overall, mindful eating enriches your raw vegan experience, making each meal more fulfilling and enjoyable. These were my reasons why I truly enjoy a raw food diet. So now please tell me, what are yours? I love reading your comments, so leave them down below. And to keep each other accountable, just take a picture of one of your beautiful today's meals and post it on Instagram and tag me in on it. And this way we can inspire more people to enjoy raw food and get healthy. And if you haven't watched my previous episodes, I've linked my playlist here so you can catch up, and I'll see you tomorrow.